Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am gonna tell you G5 President Shark 2 mobile phone. In this video I am gonna also tell you the retail price of G5 President Shark 2 and the upcoming price, also expected price of the G5 President Shark 2 mobile phone. It's give you the official warranty, yes and not. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notifications of my video. So let's get start the video. So guys, here we have a G5 President Shark 2 mobile. Detailed specification. Built-in quality of Android OS, Android 4.2. Dimensions 126 into 63.6 into 9.8 mm. Weight 128 gram. SIM dual standby. Colors black color. They have only one color. Here we have a frequency 2G band. They have only one frequency. SIM 1 GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2 GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. Here we have the processor CPU 1.0 GHz. So here we have the display technology HVGA TFT screen, size 4.0 inches, resolution 800 into 480 pixels. So here we have the memory built-in 512 MB built-in, 256 MB RAM. Card micro SD card, sports up to 32 GB. Here we have the camera, the main camera 2.0 megapixel. Features, video features, the front camera VGA camera. Here we have the connectivity, WLAN, Bluetooth, no Bluetooth, GPS, no GPS, radio, FM radio, USB, and data, GPRS. Here we have the features, audio, 3.5 mm audio jack, speakerphone, browser, HTML, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, games built-in and extra, voice search, alarm, calendar, calculator, schedule reminders, world time, ebook reader. So here we have the battery capacity, lithium ion, non-removable battery, 1100 mAh with the fast charging support, standby up to 300 hours, stock time up to 4 hours. So now here we have the expected price and the upcoming price also. Retail price in Pakistan is not available, just coming soon. And USD expected price and the upcoming price is also not available, just coming soon. So now here we have the rating, 4 stars based on 11 user reviews. So guys, here we have the all G5 President Shark 2 feedback and reviews. So guys, hope you like this video. Make sure like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video.